Let's take a look at toast. To begin, set your wire rack to position 4. The wire rack is molded so that you can position your food closer to the top or the bottom of the oven when cooking. Flipping the rack over so that it dips down before sliding it into the second slot from the top places the rack into position 4. This is the center of the oven, which allows the Element IQ system to deliver high heat evenly from the top and bottom elements for perfect toast. Now, be sure to place your bread slices close to the center of the rack. You can fit up to 9 slices of regular sandwich bread. Close the oven door and use the Confirm dial to set the indicator on the LCD screen to toast. You'll see the toasting darkness icons at the top, and the top number shows your darkness selection. Turn the temperature dial left to reduce the darkness or right to increase it. The number beneath indicates the number of slices. To adjust, turn the time dial, left to decrease or right to increase. Press the Start/Stop button and you'll notice a ding and the LCD turning orange. The timer will commence the toasting countdown. You can adjust the toasting darkness or remaining time during the cycle and stop it by pressing Stop. At the end of the timer, if you'd like your toast slightly darker, you can press the A Bit More button, which will run the oven for 20 more seconds. And if you're working with frozen food, the Frozen Food button reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to make sure the toast is evenly heated without burning it. The magnetic AutoEject feature is also a smart addition to your oven. Basically, when the wire rack is inserted into rack position 3 or 4, it will automatically eject halfway out of the oven when the door is opening, so you can easily remove your food. Be sure to open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. All right, who wants a kimchi spiced chicken club sandwich?